I like what much on the Wagwan tour through in Fuengirola. We'll take a little walk down the road, show you some prices. Let's see Wagwan, you know the vibe. Right, so got the places here, everything's just open up. It's just got 10 o'clock now, 10 AM. I've got to check out at 11, so just literally getting this last couple of videos done. Then we're going to head off to Marbella. So we was here last night, did a live from here, we was in here filming. I haven't got my mic on me, so hopefully all this sounds alright to you guys. But yeah, might be even clearer, you never know. But yeah, we're going to take a little walk down. It's a little theme park for the kids here. It's all lit up at night, it looks really good. We was here actually, if you see our old video from Fuengirola, this restaurant I just pointed at, is they had a little, the acrobatics, everything was outside there when we last saw them. So yeah, let's come and check out some prices. See what we got. See, if you saw my last video, some guys shouted at me and the police just went past me. They don't give a crap about people filming in the street. Absolutely fine for filming in the street in Spain, in the whole of Europe, Turkey, everywhere. There's no issue for filming in the street because they've got cameras on the street. So if they've got cameras, then you can film. Simple as that. So, all the bars are over there, restaurants over there. Let's go and check out some prices quickly, come on. So we've got Boston Steakhouse, Tandoori, oh nice. Casa Ruby Mediterranean. Takeaway as well on that one. Right, let's go and check out this one though. I don't think the Tandoori has got prices, but it's inside. Let's check this one out, the steakhouse. Any prices on there? Nope. Maybe this one on the right has a price. Yeah, this one's got prices on it, so... What's that? Chicken salsa. Spanish kebab. Is that shish kebab? Wow. So, that's quite expensive, but maybe it's really good. You know, when I see prices I think expense, but it could be quality. And that's maybe what I'm missing, because obviously I've never tried it. No prices here. This one, open from 1. Again, no prices. But yeah, let me quickly pan you around so you can see where I just came from. But yeah, let's keep going. So I gotta get back. So yeah, in the comments let me know where you stay when you come here. This is my second time. Stayed basically in the same bit, just near the main road. It's comfortable, you know, you can just walk in. So you got the marina just over there. You saw my night video. Should be my first video actually. I took a walk down there. The supermarket. I was in Mercedona just a minute ago and prices haven't really gone up as far as I can see for the things I need anyway, which is a quick coffee. Look at all them little cold lattes. Still only 85 cents. Which, you know, you can't complain at that. What's the prices here? No prices on this one, but that's Boulevard. Breakfast. This was good times. You got a menu there, there you go. So yeah. Sorry. Like I said, every place here, same deals on the beers, cocktail, wines, everything's always the same. That's the London pub. And London pub has a little nightclub just down there, discotheque, just there. Never been in there. I think, you know, when I can't remember if they was charging or not, but whenever I see a entrance fee, I'm never coming in. Not because I'm cheap, just because it's not playing the music that I'm really into. So what am I paying for? Normally you're paying for like the DJ, aren't you? You're paying for the acts. It's not really my thing. So here we are, O'Sullivan's. Getting all of these will be rammed soon. Getting no deliveries, same prices. It's actually warmed up now, it's just quite nice. And you've got Old Town here. If you saw my live stream, we started here in Old Town last night. One of my videos actually, we ended right here as well. So yeah. That one's a very short one. I think it's only up 4 minutes. I think I just walked around the harbour, came to here, and I stopped because I saw 2 Guinnesses for €9. I think that's a bargain, isn't it, when you're out? I've never actually, I'll be really honest with you guys, it's my first time away drinking Guinness. Like, I've never really drunk it. This Christmas, me and Sabrina went crazy on the Guinnesses. Bought quite a lot of Guinnesses and had a good old drink. Now I'm not addicted, I'd say, but find it more lighter than a fizzy beer. Beers are too fizzy. So you got Teo here. Like I said, everything's just opening up, getting ready for the day. Let me know if anything's changed from last year, because I didn't come here last year, so doing a bit of building work here. This is like one of the main roads up to the main road. So when we stayed here before, we actually stayed up that bit up there, and then we came down to the beach like that. So yeah, check out this old guy. They're doing a lot of renovations here. Looks like this building could do with a little touch up. And balconies have a little bit of a cracked bottom. Don't know what's going on there. I haven't been able to show you much prices at the moment. Nothing's open and no signs and stuff telling me. But what I might do, I might end it right here, and yeah. Oops, I've done something silly there. Hold on 1 second. Right guys, well, thanks for watching. So what I'll do, I'll start another video showing you from here. So like, subscribe, make sure you watch the next video. Thanks for watching.